Hey guys, so if you're looking on a way how you can reset a Suitcase, the American Tourister, I was looking right here. The first thing is that there are multiple things that you can try to do. The first thing is that if nothing else, you could easily break it open with 2 wrenches, small enough to fit inside, and then use torque to break it open. I know it's harsh, but it's the first thing. The second thing that you can try to do is that when you're gonna have use the ChatGPT and try all combinations to actually get there. And there are not many of them, so you can just like listen to podcast or something and then go like 275, 276, 277, and you're gonna try every single one of them, and then one of it is going to hit, and then you can open it. So this is something that I would personally do, because there just isn't some kind of like simple reset procedure, and it's a safety measure. So when other people, they will have access to it, that wouldn't get to it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.